Hello my glamorous man, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha, but they all call me Glamorous Mimi, and I'm back with another video, and the video is gonna be about me packing some order. I have 3 orders to pack, so before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn that notification post on, and follow me on all my social media, includes my business page Mimi Glam Beauty, my personal Glamorous Mimi, and TikTok Glamorous Mimi. Yes, follow me. If you don't know, I do have a TikTok, and that's when everything goes down, if you did not know. Yes, I'm wearing glasses, no makeup, no nothing. It's just me, bare face. My skin is dry, but we're not here for that. Don't come for me. We're here to pack these orders. I have 3 orders to do, and they already been prepared because I had to use some of my materials, and it had to sit for like at least 72 hours. So let's get started and let's get on the road. So I have my polymers where I packed all my key rings in. They wanted key rings, so the person is a returning customer, so she wanted 3 key rings in different kind of names. So we're gonna get this started. So the first order we're gonna pack is like 2 key rings and safari glitter and purple beret and chocolate glitter, and she added to her notes what she wanted, and she wants the safari name on Kathleen and purple in Demetrius. So safari is a blue and the purple is purple. It's chunky glitter. So let's get that started. So here's the key ring in safari, and here's the other key ring in purple parade chocolate glitter, and these all run for $10. So let's pack. I use these display cards to place it up there to attach it so it won't fall or move anywhere. Tape. And voila, poly bag. And there you have it. Same thing. Pack and ready to ship. So when I pack them, I like to get my thank you card and my business card and a packing slip. So my thank you card and my business card, and then we're gonna print over to her packing slip, which I'll be back off camera. I'm gonna do that off camera. So we're gonna put this in there. We're gonna fold this over. and put everything in there. And there you have it. So here is the packing slip for the first order. We're gonna fold this and put it in the package so it can be shipped out on time, because these key rings does take time to make. So we're gonna go to another order that was placed with her, and this was a blue key ring in chunky glitter. I got sapphire, it's a blue, and this is a chunky glitter. So see the how chunky it is on the back. That's chunky glitter. So I got it on a display card. So let's pack it. All done. The last keychain up from the first order she ordered is another chunky glitter and purple, and she want the name Rose on it, so, and with the letter R. So I did that. So we're gonna try to make her display card. I use what I use on my display cards. If I use this, I made this with my silhouette mint, so it's a stamp. So I just stamped the bottom just like that, and I stamped the back. And there we go. And there you go. So I just take the front as always, fold it over, get my tape, and there we go. Now I do put stickers in my packaging. It's like different stickers like there right here, so I just put 2 in each. And tear these off and put thank you on the back of them. The software I use to print my shipping label is PYROSHIP, as you can see on my screen. PYROSHIP. I'm not gonna get into that because this shows information, but here I am in the corner right here. It's saying what I'm paying, what they pay for as a packing slip when they pay for a shipping label. So I'm gonna buy the shipping label, which you can see right here, right in the corner right here, up right there in the corner right there, right here. So I'm gonna print that and buy that and show and come back and show you the exact thing. So I'm gonna buy the labels. I'm printing out 3 labels. So 3 labels for all 3 I just packed. So buy labels, and I'm gonna be charged for it because it's my business, but anyway. And trust me, Parachute is the cheapest that you can get. Parachute is good because Shopify, they charge you for when you buy a shipping label, it adds it to your bill, like, cause your bill is like $29 a month, and whatever shipping label you buy from each person, it goes in your bill. So I'd rather use Parachute than use that Shopify. But some people say it works for them, but I do what works for me. So yeah, I'm gonna buy this shipping label and I'm come back. So the shipping label are being print right now, so I'm just waiting for the print so we can finish this video and wrap it up. So just hold on a second. So here they are. So this is okay. 1008 for the 1008. Sticker right here. And I like to put my sticker on the front of it. See, it's my workspace. It's so janky right now. And put my sticker at the bottom, right here. So, like that. My sticker right there. And 1009. Put my sticker on it. Right here. And last but not least, 1012. Originally I had 5 orders, but I shipped the other 2 out because it's the same person, so I just shipped it out. And put a stick on that. So order for me, y'all. I like to record videos when finally I got my first order last week, so yeah. So voila. So these 3 orders will be sent out tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. So as you see on my screen, yeah. So I'm gonna just exit that out. Thank you for watching into the end with me on my video packing orders, because I'm so excited to do more. So hopefully y'all order from me and shop with me. Mimi Glam Beauty is coming more soon. Soon will be coming with more. Did I say that right? No. More to come. More to come. So thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow all my social media, my personal, my business, my TikTok, everywhere, because it happens. I be posting my stuff. So I see y'all guys later in the next video. Bye.